My name is Skylar, and out of all the strategies I've used, this is the one I've had the best results with. And now it's the only strategy I use. But first I wanted to test out how effective it was. So last year I used this one and only strategy for an entire year, and here are the results. This is a live login of my Charles Schwab trading account, and as you can see here, this is the account that I used. You can see that this account started off with $32,300. And after a year, I grew it to $55,600, which means I made $16,300 on this account. And that means that I grew this account a little over 43%. But what makes this strategy really impressive is how little I had to risk to achieve these results. This is a cash account, which means that I didn't use any leverage. That means on average, I risked less than $300 per trade. And despite risking only $300 per trade, I was still able to make over $16,000. Not only that, but here's a chart that compares my trading account to the stock market. And as you can see, not only did my account perform better when times were good, but my strategy also helped me avoid a lot of these losses and better time the market. I don't know if anyone else has a strategy that is this simple, performs this well, and has this good of a risk to reward. But it wasn't always this easy. Back when I first started, I didn't have a strategy. I was trying anything and everything, just hoping it would work out. And then one day I joined a community and I started watching live trading, and that really helped change everything for me. Fast forward a few years, and now I host my own live trading sessions to help other traders learn the strategy that helped change my life. As soon as traders join, they're faced with more value than what I used to pay thousands of dollars for. Every morning before market opens, I start by going over the game plan for the day. I'm then live for about 2 hours showing you my exact entries and exits, answering questions, and explaining my strategy in real time. And after we hop off, you'll have me and the community to lean on in Discord. It's so awesome to see members come in with no understanding of the markets and leave only a few months later being self-sufficient traders. In just the last month, members have used my strategy to simplify their trading, pass challenges, and get funded. I'm glad you came across our community, and I hope you'll take advantage of this amazing opportunity. I'll see you in the Discord.